Hello friends, today we are going to see what is Agile, Agile Ceremonies, architecture of Agile and advantages of Agile. Let's see Agile. Agile is the step-by-step process of development of any application or software. Agile is a model-driven methodology. It is not a plan-driven methodology. Requirements are frequently changing in Agile methodology. Customer can change for request at any environment like a dev, SIT, UAT or production environment. Customer do not have to pay extra money for that. Next is the Agile ceremonies. Grooming meeting, sprint planning meeting, daily stand up or also called as the scrum meeting. Next is a retrospective meeting and review meeting. Next is a architecture of Agile. Architecture of Agile divided into some phases. First is a stakeholder, second is a product backlog, third is a sprint backlog, fourth is a design, fifth is a coding, sixth is testing, seventh is a deployment, and eighth is a support. Next is the advantages of Agile. First is a sprint wise delivery, second is a daily stand up meeting, third is a checkpoints present at every module, fourth is automation testing is possible in Agile methodology. That's it. Thank you. Keep learning.